Hi, I'm Keith Kyle, Realtor here in the South Bay and Fusion Specialist. Today I wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of one of the A units. The A units are the smallest floor plan at just over 1,000 square feet, but it's a fantastic setup and well thought through. So have a look around and hopefully this gives you some idea of what the A units are like.
So the A and B units are always in the center of the building. The B units are above the A units. So in this particular unit, you go up a set of stairs. One thing that's real nice about the A units is they have very large balconies, very large patios. It's not completely private as it does share the entryway with the other A unit balcony, but it's quite large. This particular unit has a great location overlooking the pool. As you can see here, there's the entrance to the A unit, and above that is the B unit. It's access through the stairs. So as you come into the A floor plan, they're all different, so the hardwood floors in this unit are not in every unit. Finishes were chosen at the time they were built. So at a little over 1,000 square feet, it's not a huge layout, but it's very well situated. This particular unit again was quite upgraded. You can see the entryway on the right side, and as you sweep around, get a pretty good idea of the layout. Kitchen in the center. Most people will have it laid out like this, where there is a dining room area. Some people will put bar stools on that and not have a dining area. And then in front is the living room area. So from the kitchen, as you walk back towards the rear of the home, you have what functions as the guest bath, as well as the bathroom for the downstairs bedroom. You also have stackable washer and dryer. And then the downstairs bedroom. The primary difference between the A and the B units is the B units have both bedrooms on the second level, so there is no downstairs bedroom. So then as we come back from the bedroom, just to give you a quick look around again at the layout. So as you head upstairs, we'll get to what is technically the master in the A unit. So nice size room, usually quite bright. This particular unit's a little bit brighter than normal. So in this unit they've done some built-ins, but that's the size of the closet certainly. And then you have another full bath. And as we back away, again, you see where the stairs come up. So heading back down the stairs, get a good view of the layout from slightly above. Kitchen, dining, living. And again, guest bath slash bathroom for the downstairs bedroom and the downstairs bedroom. For more information on Fusion South Bay, visit my website at fusionhomesforsale.com or give me a call at 310-251-2344.